How to draw Isabella from Encanto step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Isabella today, let's begin by drawing the flower that will be on the top of her head, right here towards the top right hand side of the page. Once we are all done drawing that flower, let's go ahead and draw the hairline right below. The first part of the hairline that we draw will be an upside down V. Are you all done with that step? If so, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to draw the outline of the face by drawing a curved line that will connect from the left hand side. Now where that line just ended, we're going to draw the earring of Isabella. If this part is a little bit tricky, then be sure to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. Now below the head and connected, we're going to draw the neck along with the top of Isabella's dress. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Now we will start to draw the hair of Isabella, beginning on the left hand side of the head. We'll draw a curved line that will connect from the left side of the neck all the way over to the flower up top that we previously drew together. Now we will begin to draw the hair on the right hand side connected to the flower, but we're not going to finish it just yet. Now we'll finish drawing the hair a little bit later on in today's video, but for now, let's go right below the neck and let's continue to draw the dress. Now for this step, we're going to draw the arm along with the hand that will be coming out of the arm sleeve of the dress. In this hand, it will appear as if Isabella is holding a flower. And at the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. And once we're all done drawing that arm, let's go ahead and finish drawing the flower in the hand of Isabella. Next, we're going to finish drawing the rest of the dress. So we're going to begin to draw the rest of the dress right below the arms and the hand that we previously drew together. Fantastic! Now that we have the dress drawn, we can now finish drawing the hair on the right hand side of the body. Nice, so far I'm really happy with how my drawing is coming along. Now on the left hand side of the body, let's go ahead and draw the second hand. Now last but not least, we still have to draw the detail for the inside of the face, so let's go ahead and draw the first eye on the right hand side of the face. Well done! Now let's draw the second eye a little to the left, which will look the same as the one that we just drew together. Now all that we have left to do is to draw the nose, the mouth, and some eyelashes on the left eye, which we'll come back to in just a few moments. This is how to draw Isabella Madrigal from Encanto. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more Encanto drawings, then be sure to check out our Encanto drawing tutorial playlist. And don't forget that if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like and subscribe so that you see more videos just like this in the future. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.